sometimes the SAT wants you to solve for constants, or at least they'll give constants to you in an equation and they'll want you to find something else, as you'll see in this problem. And what you need to do when constants are involved is you just plug in the numbers you're given. This is like a substitution problem. And that will give you the value for the constant. And then if that's what they want, there's your answer. If they don't want that, if they want another variable, then you use that value of the constant, since it is constant, in other uses of the equation. So let's see what I mean by that. Y equals h over x. H is a constant. And if y equals 3 when x equals 4, what does y equal when x equals 6? So again, let's first figure out what h is. So we're going to go ahead and write y equals h over x. Let's plug this in. So y is 3. So we get 3 equals h over, notice x is 4. So we're going to put that as 4. Cross multiply, we get h is 12. So now since h is a constant, it's always going to equal 12. And we can use this now to solve for y when x is 6. So y equals h, which is 12, over x, which in this case is 6. So y is 2. And that's your answer. Simple as that. So the 4 tests that I gave you in the practice section do not have many of these constant algebra equations. So I'm going to look for more, and in future videos I will add some other examples, because this does come up decently often. I mean, it only came up once in the 4 tests you've seen here, but so maybe not as often as we might think, but it is still something that we want to make sure we know how to do, because they're usually pretty easy once you know the basic method to do them. This was a number 10 in the grid-ins, which is a 2 out of 5 difficulty, so pretty easy question overall.